Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this type of message isn't supported with Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix this kind of issue, first what you can do is simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in Instagram, then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. Or for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over back to your home screen, then tap on your settings. Now once you're inside your settings, scroll down, then tap on general. Now inside general, simply tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on Instagram, and you'll be provided with two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on upload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing out the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.